Hello friends, today we are going to start with the next method which is Gauss-Jordan elimination method. So as we have discussed in my last session, there is very small difference between Gauss elimination and Gauss-Jordan elimination. In Gauss elimination, we are making either upper triangular or lower triangular of diagonal elements as a zero. But in case of Gauss-Jordan elimination, we are making both the triangles as zero. So we are trying to make all the off diagonal elements as zero and only keeping the diagonal elements as a non-zero so that we can directly get the values of x, y and z. So let us have a numerical with this Gauss-Jordan elimination method where we will make all of diagonal elements as zero. So let us see how to solve it. Suppose we have three equations. So I have directly put the equations in the form of a matrix. So this is 2x plus y plus 4z equal to 12, 8x minus 3y plus 2z equal to 23, and 4x plus 11y minus z equal to 33. These were my equations and I am solving it with Gauss-Jordan elimination method. So I put it in a matrix form Ax equal to B. Then I'll be having a augmented matrix as this matrix as it is augmented by B matrix. Okay, A augmented B. So this is my matrix. Now I will try to solve it. So I'm going to make the elements 0. So I will tackle to the first row, sorry, first column. I want to make this 8 as a 0. Okay, this also as a 0. Okay, so we'll try to get it. So first of all, what we have done for simplicity, I'm making first row, I'm dividing it by half so that I'll get 1 here. Okay, this way also you can do to make it simply to simplify it. Okay, so this 2 by 2 will be 1, 1 by 2 will be 0.5, 4 by 2 will be 2 and 12 by 2 will be 6. So I have simplified the first row so that it becomes easy to make 8 as 0 and 4 as 0 if it is 1, which is easy for calculation. Okay, so I've got this matrix from this just by dividing R1 by 2. Now to make R2 as a 0, I am making R2 equal to R2 minus 8 times R1. R2 minus 8 times R1. This is 1 now, so I'll just multiply it by 8. Okay, 8 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया उसको तो 8 माइनस 8 हो जाएगा तो ये 0 हो जाएगा. So it is 8 minus R1 8. So it is R2 minus 8 R1. Okay, I'll apply to the full row. So this will first row is as it is. Here it will be 0, 8 minus 8. Here it will be minus 3 minus 8 into 0.5. So it will be 4 minus 3 minus 4 will be minus 7. Similarly here it will be 2 minus 8 into 2. So it will be 2 minus 16. So it will be minus 14. Here it will be, yes, 23 minus 8 into 6. So 6 8s are 48. So it is minus 48 plus 23. So it will be minus 25. Okay. So if you make this element as 1, it will be easy to you. So always you make it 1. Hmm? Now third row. Here I want to make it 0. So what I have to do? 4 minus 4 R1. So R3 minus 4 R3. R3 minus 4 R1. Okay. So 4 minus 4 into 1 will be 0. 11 minus 4 into 0.5. Here it is minus 1 minus 4 into 2. 33 minus 4 into 6. Okay, so this is how you will get 0, 9, minus 9 and this 9. Okay, so you have made the first column as a first column of diagonal as a 0. Now our next point is we have to make, okay. Now to making this element 0, it is always better if we make this as a 1, then it will be easy to formulate. Okay, there are less chances of making mistake. So we have to make it 1. So I will divide R2 by 7. So if I make R2 by 7, surely I'll get 1 here. Okay. As we have done for R1, similarly I am making it here now 1. So I'll divide R2 by 7. Okay. So it will be 1 here. Okay. Minus 7. If you do it minus 7, you will get plus 1. So I'm doing it with minus 7. So it will be plus 1 here. Here plus 2. Here minus 25 upon minus 7. So answer will be positive 3 point something. So it is 3.57. Now, here I have written as it is. For the next step, what I will do, it is R3 minus 9 R2. Okay, R3 minus 9 R2. And in the same way, I am making this element also as a 0. So we have to take reference of this. Okay. So here it is 0.5. It should be R1 minus 0.5 R2. Okay. 0.5 minus 0.5 into 1. So it will also be 0. So I am editing R1 as R1 minus 0.5 R2, and I am editing R3 as R3 equal to R3 minus 9 R2. Okay. So applying this formula to first row and to the third row, you will surely get this as a 0 and this also as a 0. Okay. Now moving ahead to the next step. So we are applying here also, same formulas. Now only remaining element is you have to make this as a 0 and this as a 0. Okay. So what I am trying to do here is, suppose I will make this as a 1, then it will be easy to me to replace these two elements as a 0, right? So to make it 0, what can I do? I will divide it by minus 27. तो माइनस 27 जीरो का तो जीरो ही आएगा, राइट? तो माइनस 27 अपॉन माइनस 27 विल बी 1 एंड माइनस 23.14 अपॉन माइनस 27, तो इट विल बी पॉइंट समथिंग 0.8, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, तो ये माइनस 0.85 आ गया. नाउ अप्लाइंग formula will be simple for this and this. I want to make this as a 0 and this also as a 0, so I will edit these formulas in terms of R3. ओके, गेटिंग इट, विच एवर यू डोंट नीड एनी चेंज यू हैव टू टेक दैट. मतलब हमको ये दो चेंज करना है ना, तो इन दोनों का रेफरेंस नहीं ले सकते, ये दोनों को चेंज करना है विद द थर्ड वन. सो ये तीसरे का रेफरेंस लेना है. सो यू हैव टू मेक R1. R1 कैसे करोगे आप? R1 इक्वल टू R1 माइनस R3, क्योंकि 1 माइनस 1 किया तो ही 0 आएगा, है ना? ये R3 के फॉर्म में ही हमको करना है. तो इट विल बी R1 इक्वल टू R1 माइनस R3. ओके. और R2 को क्या करोगे? 2 माइनस 2 होना चाहिए ना, 2 माइनस 2 होना चाहिए. सो इट विल बी R2 माइनस 2R3. समझ में आया? ये दोनों को चेंज करना है तो R3 आना ही चाहिए इक्वेशन में. गॉट इट? तो R1 इक्वल टू R1 माइनस R3 एंड R2 इक्वल टू R2 माइनस R2 R2 इक्वल टू R2 माइनस 2R3, क्योंकि ये दो है ना, तो 2 इंटू 1 विल बी 2 एंड 2 माइनस 2 विल बी 0. सो R2 इक्वल टू R2 माइनस 2R3. ठीक है. तो ये फॉर्मूला अगर अप्लाई किया तो ये दोनों 0 हो जाएंगे. सेम यू हैव टू अप्लाई इट हियर आल्सो, you will get this matrix. So it is now very simple. Huh? You directly have x1 equal to this, y equal to this and z equal to this. You will get x, y, z. Okay, so that's it. X equal to 3.35, y equal to 1.85 and z equal to 0.85. Okay, you can cross check it on your calci. On scientific calci, you can directly solve three simultaneous equations and you can get the answer and you will be knowing that whether you are right or wrong. Okay, I hope you have understood this. This is very simple. Simple means very interesting method. Okay, I hope you have understood. If not, please comment and surely we'll have a discussion. Thank you for watching.